Hi, Ben here with Amtex equipment. Today we're doing a sound test for all new Marine 4047 APO. This test is going to be done nearby the machine, about a couple feet away. Then we're going to move back about 25 feet, do a test, and of course finally we're going to move back about 50 feet away and do another reading. Right now the system is running on idle. We're going to check. We're going to reset our decibel meter. We're getting 76 at idle. We're going to move towards the machine and increase the RPM to 2800 to 29 and do a reading again. Now we're going to move back about 25 feet. We're at 10 feet. We're about 25 feet. We're reading 70. Now we're going to move back another 25 feet and get a reading at 50 feet. We're at 30 feet, 35 feet, 40 feet, 45, 50 feet. Again, this is Ben with Amtex equipment, doing a reading for all new 4047 APO Marine. We're doing a 64 reading at 50 feet. Thank you for watching. We're signing off from Houston.